Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and I'm just going to show you a few of the things that Zippo does. And they really like their Zippo flame. Now this flame is a registered flame, and you can't use it. See a little registered mark down there? That is a registered trademark. So no one else can use that except Zippo. This was made in 2011. That's a good one. Here's another example. They probably have maybe 100 designs with that flame on it. This was made in 2018. Let's see, here's another good example of their flames. That's kind of Art Deco, Andy Warhol style. This is a newer one. So it's loaded and ready to go. It's got a real good flame. Here's another example, very similar. That's just more Zippo flames, and this one was made in 2017. And one more example of the Art Deco style, and this is even labeled. Well, they're calling it pop art. I guess that's more appropriate. Kind of Andy Warhol. Sky blue matte. You can see that's Andy Warhol style. Painting the same thing over and over, just different colors. This is a good one, made in 23. Even their lighter fluid has the little flame, the registered flame. This is a pretty old can. You can see it's already getting rusty. I got a good collection of these. They're all empty. And I'm going to do a drop test on this one because it is the newest one. Do a lit drop test. So this new Zippo passes the drop test. Some people think dropping a Zippo is a bad idea, it might break it, but that won't stop me. And every genuine Zippo is made in the USA and deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.